Let's take a look at the broader picture of the economy. There is an economic stimulus package which is going to be awarded to 5 constituencies. My question is, at a time when various sectors are battling, why did the government choose to put a stimulus package into these constituencies?
Basically from a government that is suffering from low popularity over the period, and they really don't even have a track record of anything that they've done since the unit government was formed in the last 2 years. Really, in a nutshell, these are what they call last kicks of a dying horse. They really don't know what to do, they don't know how to get the economy moving, and they're just trying everything and anything that comes into their mind.
So they, according to you, they basically chose their popularity versus the sectors that are in trouble?
Yeah, truly, because if you look at the Kenyan economy, the 3 main sectors that affect the GDP, one, it's agriculture, that affects close to 26–27%, followed by manufacturing and construction, where the manufacturing side actually contributes more than the construction side. Then you have the transport and telecommunication side. So in essence, more focus should have been put on the agricultural side, where irrigation systems need to be put in place, and ways of trying to take advantage of the El Nino that is being said, the El Nino rains that are being said that are going to come. So currently, personally, I think they're trying to protect their image on reforms and development than actually boosting and stimulating the economy.
Well, let's look at the stimulus package. What exactly is it? How exactly is it going to benefit currently?
Basically, they're planning to build what they call industrial development centers in all the 5 provinces. They're trying to build wholesale markets and fresh produce markets. Really, my point is, it's not really the problem of a market that farmers are facing. It's actually a problem of reducing production yields. So you can give me a market to sell my product, but if I don't have a product to sell, then it really is not going to help me. The other issue is industrial development centers. It's a noble idea, but again, I'm trying to figure out where the government is actually going to get funding to do any industrial development outside of Nairobi.
All right, let's take a look at the bourse. It's midweek. What's driving sentiments today? Sentiments
are still very negative. Retail investors are still very skeptic. As we said, the broader picture is playing a bigger role in the market itself. 90% of activity today came from foreigners, still on the same usual suspects: Safaricom, Equity Bank, cables, East Africa breweries, and a bit of Access Kenya here and there. So you find, again, it's foreigners who are actually driving and supporting the market. If foreigners actually move out of the NSC right now, I think we'll actually have a systematic collapse of the index.
And where do you think people should be putting their money on currently?
Not in the NSC. I don't think we've reached that turning point where we can say you can move in and the market will head forward. You might move in right now and still find yourself losing 10 to 15%. So basically right now, just tell guys, if you have money, try go to the money market where every other single cent is going. At least you get some sort of return than losing money in the NSC.
But which stock would you be keeping an eye on before the week ends?
Personally, I'll be keeping my eye on Access Kenya. There's a bit of a foreign activity interest that has come in on that counter. And basically, with all the fiber optic noise in the market, I expect that the counter to benefit from that.